Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in that previous video what we discussed, we discussed that worksheet 1A. Worksheet 1 and worksheet 1A completed, right? After that we are having concept 2. Concept 2 which is related to domain of the variable. Okay, before going to discuss about that domain of the variable, once recall that what I told you about that root or solution. Okay, what about that root or solution, ma? Root or solution means what I told you in that previous videos. Here root or solution means the value which satisfies the given equation. The value of a variable which satisfies the given equation. Which satisfies the given equation is called root or solution. Root is also known as a solution. Another name also I told you in that video. What is that, ma? Another name of root or solution is zeros. Okay, root or solution or zeros, whatever it may be, the meaning is same. Okay, the value of a variable which satisfies the given equation is called root or solution. 2x plus 5 is equals to 15. 2x plus 5 is equal to 15. Okay, ma? Then here what we can say that what is the value of x here? By replacement means what I told you, that instead of that given variable, what value we are writing, okay, what value we are taking instead of the given variable, that is called replacement. Okay, and what value, that value just we are writing, no, that process is called replacement, and here what value we are taking, that value which one is satisfying, that value is called that here root or solution. Understood, ma? Now here see that 2x plus 5 is equal to 15. Now here I want to take that 2 into 1 plus 5 is equal to 15. Is it true here? Let x is equal to 1. Let x is equal to 1. 2 into 1, 2 plus 5 is equal to 15. 7 is equal to 15. Is it true here? 7 is, this value is equal to 15, ma, here not equal. That's why here LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS not equal to RHS. That's why x is equal to 1, not possible. Next see that 2x plus 5 is equal to 15, no? Let x is equal to 2. Then 2 into 2 plus 5. This is also not equals to 15. Why? Because 2 2 is 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. Not 15. That's why that value is not equals to 15 means LHS not equal to RHS. At that cases x value not satisfying for that 2 also. Next, let x is equal to 3. Okay, 2 into 3 plus 5 is equal to 15. 6 plus 5 not equal to 15. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11 but not equals to 15. Okay, ma. Next, x is equal to 4. Is it satisfies here? Of course, this is also not satisfies. Why? Because 8 plus 5 not equals to 15. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Understood? And here x is equal to 5. Then here 2 into 5 plus 5. Okay, is it equals to 15, ma, here? 2 5s 10 plus 5 which is equal to 15. Yes or no here? 15 is equal to 15. LHS is equal to RHS. Am I clear to you? Now here see that, ma, x is equal to 2, 3, 4, 1 also not satisfied, and x is, this value is satisfied for that, the given equation is satisfied for that, the value at 5 only. Okay, if you will take that x is equal to 5, then only this is satisfying. Otherwise, this is not satisfying. Am I clear, ma? That's why here this process is called replacement, no? And in the same way here, which value we are replacing here, and that value if that satisfies the given equation, then we will call that here 5 is the root. Understood, ma? Why? Because the 5 is satisfying the given equation, no? So that's why here 5 is called that root of the given equation or solution of the given equation. Understood? Children, here see that just we are taking that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Okay, but for that all the equations this process is not possible. Actually we are having that 3 methods. Those 3 methods we will discuss in that next videos. Okay ma. Now here just see that which value is satisfying, that is called root or solution I am saying. Okay, now here what about the domain of the variable? Domain of the variable means here what values I taken here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They didn't mention anywhere, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you have to take. They didn't mention anywhere, right? Just I given that equation as 2x plus 5 is equal to 15. Okay, for just we are assuming, just we are taking, let us take that x is equal to 1. Okay, just we are guessing if it is possible or not. Okay, in that method we are getting that x is equal to 5. Okay, now here domain of the variable means what? Domain of a variable. Domain of a variable means what is the definition? The replacement set of a variable. The replacement set of a variable in an equation. Is called domain of the variable. Okay ma, just see that replacement set. Okay, for example here x plus 3 is equal to some 7. X plus 3 is equal to 7 and its domain is, see that, and here set also they given that let x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay ma, like this here some values they given. Okay, now here check that which value satisfies. From this set of numbers only just you have to check that. Okay, that is called the domain of the variable. Understood? Now here say that let x is equal to 1. Okay, why? Because the first x is equal to 1 they given, no? Okay, these all values are x such that x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, now here x values we have to take. X is equal to 1. 1 plus 3 is equal to 7 ma here. No, this is not possible. 4 is not equal to 7. Just like that previous only we have to check that. X is equal to 2. Then what will happen? 2 plus 3. This is also not equals to 7. Next, x is equal to 3. 3 plus 3. This is also not equal to 7. Okay, and finally here x is equal to 4 and 5 is also there, no? X is equal to 4. Okay, x plus 3, which means 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Is it satisfying or not? Yes, of course, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. That is satisfying. 7 is equal to 7. Then here we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. At this cases, the replacement set, which number is satisfying here? 4 is satisfying. Then what is the root or solution here? 4 is the root or solution. And in the same way, what is the domain of the variable here? Domain of the variable is 4. Understood ma? Then here domain of the variable is 4. Domain of the variable is 4. Children, here you may have the doubt. Still one more number is there, no? If we will replace that number, what is that one more number? 5 is there. The leftover number is 5. If we can substitute that 5 at the place of x, is there any possibility to get that LHS is equal to RHS? If you have made that doubt, then here see the children, here that is not possible. Why? Because already 4 is existing here. Okay, already 4 satisfies that given equation. Okay, as per this one, what we can conclude that a linear equation or simple equation is linear equation in one variable, or simple equation is having how many solutions ma? Only one solution can exist. Okay, only one root can exist. That's why here x is equal to 4 is satisfying, no? That's why here no need to check that any other number. Why? Because already one of the root that one existed here. Okay, and in the same way we also know that the given equation, simple equation is having that only one root or solution. What we can conclude ma? Simple equation Simple equation has how many roots ma here? Simple equation has only one root. One root or solution. Understood ma? One root or solution. Okay. Now here see that. So this is about the domain of the variable, no? Domain of the variable means in that set of numbers, what numbers they are given, those numbers we have to check. Okay, from that numbers only one of the number can exist that given equation. Only one of the number can satisfy that given equation. Then that one of the number only become as the domain of the variable. Understood? And in the same way here, which value is satisfying? For example, here we can write the domain also. How it will be means, see here for example, x plus x minus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, x minus 2 is equal to 4. Then here x minus 2 means here which number we can take? 1 minus 2 not possible. Okay, 2 minus 2 not possible. 3 minus 2 not equals to 4. 4 minus 2 not equals to 4. 5 minus 2 not equals to 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Then what is the value of x ma here? X is equal to 6. Okay, in that set of given numbers, okay, in that domain, in that set of numbers must be here, they will give that 6. Okay, at that cases you will get that 6 as the root or solution of the given equation. Okay children, this is about that concept to domain of the variable. Once again, domain of the variable definition is the replacement set of a variable in an equation is called domain of the variable. Understood ma? Related to that concept 2, we are having that worksheet 2. Okay, in that next video we will discuss that worksheet 2. After that we will discuss about that methods to solve simple equations. Okay, thank you all.